I'm doing something different today where I'm going to build out a tool live end to end. I have a problem that I want to fix, and I want to actually build out my own custom solution for that. And I want to make sure that I capture the entire thing from ideation to discovering how we get there, failures, the whole works. Okay, so essentially what we're doing today is we're building an auto editor. I just want to be able to film a video, punch it into Telegram or Google Drive, and then have it automatically edit, caption, and post to TikTok. Okay, that's one of the least favorite things I do. My workflow for this is really clunky. I've got my S25 for filming, and then I can like either bring it to my computer. I don't really edit on my phone. That's probably a problem. But we need to fix this, okay? Because it's so brutal posting all the time, and you have to. So with that, let's just jump in. All I knew that triggered this idea in terms of like what to work on is that I discovered a Python library that trims silence based on, well, just silence. Okay, so I figured we could take that and then tie that into Whisper and then have AI, kind of adjust the transcript. I'm still working it out. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to go over to arena.ai and I'm going to shoot out a couple different models to wireframe this thing, and we'll figure out exactly what we can do. All I'm going to do is just talk about what I need it to do. So I just discovered a Python library called AutoEdit. What I want to do is turn this into a video editor that I can then publish as an app for my S25, not on the App Store, just for myself. The idea I had is to just raw record a video so that it can trim silence when I switch between back and front cameras. Also, I want AI to be able to take the transcript and edit based on what makes the most sense. So we're going to need to use Whisper or something to get the words, edit via timestamps, and then, I don't know, FFmpeg or something similar to edit that video. Then another pass on some sort of transcription, and we'll have to generate captions probably burned in, correct? I'm just coming to this by myself. I need you to help me wireframe this and figure out the best way to get there. Look at me rambling. It's not pretty, but this is like exactly how you do it. Bro, Opus is so much faster. Does Gemini not stream? Is that what the problem is? Oh no, it's just showing their thinking. I get it. Natively on PC. Hold up. Right, yeah, wrap it in APK. That's what I was planning. Or we could always just upload it to Drive and then have a script watch Drive, and then we could do it on the desktop or something. I don't mind. Maybe I tell him that? What do you think? Running Whisper progress bar. That's, yeah, okay. I thought Opus was faster. Turns out it wasn't. Okay. Python, FFmpeg. I said FFmpeg, but I'm not sure it's the best one. I want them to let me know. Start simple. Do not try to do the AI editing immediately. Sure. Go Kotlin shell. What? Okay. Camera UX will be better. What are we talking about here? That doesn't sound like pure Python. Beach vlog, June 12th. Okay. Doesn't this seem a lot more... Okay, it's actually writing the Python. While it's doing that, let's talk about what... I understand that S25 doesn't natively handle Python libraries. We could wrap it in an APK as suggested. However, it might be beneficial just to be able to upload it to Drive, have something watch Drive, and then we could run it on a local machine using like your graphics card to process that. It would be faster that way, wouldn't it? This is going to write the whole thing. I was using Silvero before. Oh, okay. He's doing this whole thing as a mobile app. AI editor, Anthropic, sure. Edit prompt to your professional video editor. Pseudocode. In terms of following directions, got to give it to Gemini. I said wireframe this. I didn't say build it for me. Well, okay, never mind. That could have meant different things for different people. I know I said I would try not to edit this, but if this takes as much time as it has been, I might want to do that, don't I? Okay. Dependencies. What are the tools we're using? FFmpeg, right? Camera kit. FFmpeg for Android. This is actually building out a Android app. Key decisions I need to make. All right, cool. Whisper model. Tiny sucks. I want to do at least medium. I've tried this out before. There was a video I did where like I did something like this. It's just for my phone specifically. It's going to be a little bit different. Oh, look. Okay. See, look. This is great. It actually talked about sending it to the PC. Start with phase 1 on your desktop. Pipeline logic is the hard part. Packaging it for mobile is just the... Okay, cool. Both are good. Get some concrete... You know what? Why am I typing this? Let's get some concrete instructions for a coding assistant. I plan to take this to Google Antigravity and have it build it out for me. Can you generate the prompt and or code for the easiest way to get this done? I don't mind if it runs on the computer like I'd said above. I just really want to be able to do it from my phone and send it somewhere. Cool. Oh, it deleted my last one. Oh, the nerve. I had this all sorted out. But I mean, that still said the thing. Gemini and Android Studio. Mega prompt. I love this. We'll turn your PC or Mac into a private cloud server. Awesome. Yeah, okay, that makes a lot more sense to me. Is like we'll do it on my computer with all the power, but I don't want to have to take the video from my phone, upload it on the thing, and then edit it from there. That sucks. What? From a Stone Cold fans. Quick and dirty way. And Grok. Tail scale. What is tail scale? Oh, okay. It's like it's a mesh network for your phone. Writing server code. Okay, this is thinking. I'm going to pause the video while it figures this out. Oh, there we go. Okay. We back on? We're back on. Sorry about that. So they've got similar architecture, I think. So complete build kit, server, and Android app. Perfect. Your Android, upload MP4 to the PC. I don't want to send it to the PC, but anyway. Okay, so we do the AutoCut server, and we send it to install Silvero. Server. Okay, I don't want to send it to my computer. And then I'm going to say this one more time. I don't want to send this to my computer. I would like, or well, never mind. Here, hold up. That could work if I like just put it on a file, but I want to do it from my phone. Drop it on my phone, put it in a Dropbox or something, forget about it, right? Like that's the whole goal, is like hands off, make this easier. I don't want to send it to my computer. What I would like to do is put it in a Dropbox or a Google Drive folder that we could maybe set up something to watch. I know we can do Python scripts for that and then just host them somewhere, right? I could put that onto Modal and just be able to keep it from my phone. Do it from anywhere and forget it. Okay, here we are. Holy bananas. I'm probably comparing apples to apple pies with Gemini to Opus thinking. But anyway, here we go. I think they both came with the same solution where you build a Dropbox app. I can just put it, yeah, I click create app, files, minute. Okay, except Opus 4.6 already like built it out. This is just like, oh, this is what we do. And then this is like, okay, here I've already done it. Apples to apple pies. This is the first time I've ever said that. I'm keeping it forever. Okay, so what do we do? Complete code. Holy shit. All right, it's already done it. I said I was going to give this to a coding assistant, and Opus is like, hold my beer. Okay, so I'm going to use this to let me figure out how to create a Dropbox app, because I've never done that before. But this is going to build out the actual thing, which is fucking cool. Okay, create app, scoped access. You know what? Let's do this. My Opera browser. I should move this over. Boop. We can all see everything. Hopefully, I don't give some access token. I'm going to have to kill this as soon as I'm done with it. Okay, so click Create App. Okay. We go Scoped Access. Pardon me. We're going to go, what did it say? App Folder. Name the app. Auto. Edit. I agree. Create App. Just watch, this is going to be different. Probably not, though. Okay, so name it auto edit bot. No, fuck you, I'll name it what I want. Go to permissions, file, content, write, permissions, file, content, write, file, content, read, most likely. Yep, and is that it? Critical. Generate access token. Yeah, no joke. I need to... At this time, team scoped apps cannot. I don't mind. That is okay. I need to get an access token. How do I do that? Yeah, but connect my email. That'd be cool. Settings. Generate access token. All right, this is where I'm going to probably... There we go. This is your access token. Can you guys see? No, you can't. Whoa, shit. It's like really long. Okay, let's see if I... There we go. Let's see if I can... That is the longest in Longtown. Cool. Got it. Okay, so now we've got our access token. We've got all this stuff. Now what do I do? Got a Modal account. I've got the Modal CLI. I've got all this stuff. I have to give it to Opus 4.6. Okay, so today, create Dropbox app. Done. Oh, run setup Dropbox. Get tokens. Holy shit. You know what we're going to do? We're just going to copy this entire response, and we're going to put it into Antigravity. Boop. That's what we're doing. Let's make a new window in Antigravity. Let's just see what happens. There's a difference between winging it and seeing what happens. And we're going to see what happens. Move this over. Love it. Okay, cool. Let's talk to it, shall we? I dog on Gemini all the time, but I don't hate it for things like this that are already scoped out. And first shot, very nice. I find it is really difficult to wrangle in, especially even with the fast mode turned on in Antigravity, which is helpful. I actually have to have, anyway, tangent. First shot for Antigravity, it's good stuff. Let's build a folder for this though first. Open folder. I've got these guys. New folder. Copy. Paste. Not that one. What did I do? Call this auto edit S25. Boop. Select folder. Path does not exist. What are you talking about? It's because I was creating the folder right there. Created our folder. The reason I copy paste the folders like that is because I've got agents and behaviors in this here thing, making a note. Hold up, making sure I got, yeah, there we go. Oop. Oh my God. There, okay. Done. Use it daily, tweak as you go. We're building a video editor that can talk to my S25. This has already been architected by a coding assistant. Check this out below. Architected. Arc detected. All right, here goes. This is going to take probably forever. But we might be able to one-shot this, especially since I've already got Modal CLI and stuff installed from before. If you do not, you just honestly talk to it and be like, download Modal CLI, and it'll figure it out. You can go to modal.com. I think it's modal.com. Do you guys know what it is? Oh, this is the app I was building. Actually, I'm stoked about this. This is another solution to my problems. ADHD and productivity tracker. So is it Modal like this? Yeah, okay. So it's modal.com. I bet this is going to take like a bit of time. So I'll pause the video and I'll come back. Okay, first prompt comes, what, like a couple minutes? I don't know. I walked away. I got some more water. Gotta stay hydrated. It's very important. Okay, the complete Android application has been fully scaffolded. Uh-oh, that's not so good. I've generated files. Okay, so logic bridging camera X with Dropbox API. Cool. This is good. This is not. Since the Android SDK, open with Android Studio. I don't really want to do... Okay, let's talk to it. I don't really want it to be an Android app through Android Studio. Really, all I want is to be able to just record from my phone, upload it to Dropbox, and we can have a script watching that Dropbox and trigger this workflow, right? Trigger this editor. Can we make that change? Oh, I've got the pause commands in here for my OBS. Go! Staying hydrated. I'm like, does it look like I'm looking at you? Refining implementation strategy. Shifting to cloud architecture, abandoned. Yeah. And Dropbox polling. That is easier. I mean, this would be sick if you... I don't know. I don't really want to run it on my Android. I would like to have it done on Modal, where I can rent a GPU, or on my computer, where I can use my own GPU. Right? Because, I mean, Snapdragon's cool, but like my phone will light on fire, I bet. It'll be like those vapes from the 2010s or whatever, just like exploding. Like, what happened? I'm editing a video. Is this going to take a while too? It's probably going to take a while. Oh, really? Okay. Okay, so I have generated the cloud architecture for your auto cut. Let me write this down here. Boop. Okay, I have successfully generated the cloud architecture for your AutoCut project. Dropbox polling system and video processing pipeline are set up in AutoCut Cloud folder. There it is. Boop. They changed that. Excellent. Oh, so much cleaner. Excellent. So pipeline, bunch of Python. Sick. Okay, so create modal secrets as outlined in the walkthrough. Deploy application through modal deploy app. I have the Modal CLI installed on this device. Can you access my Modal account through there? Let's just see what's up. Modal's dope. It's like just a cloud. There we go. It's like a cloud process. It runs code for you. And the nice thing is that it's serverless. It just runs whenever you need it. So you're not paying for like AWS to be live all the time. I have access to shell commands. Okay, cool. I just ran modal token info in the background. Confirm that you have logged in. Sick. Okay, this means modal deploy. Run it. I have the... Okay, run. Okay, so this Python script should be asking for my Dropbox token. Set up Dropbox. Let's see. Auth URL, app key, right? Which is what I've got. Sweet. So we're gonna build an env file, I presume, so I can stick all my secrets in one spot. Dropbox has to have a CLI too, though, right? I mean, I don't care. Let's let it just do its thing. It's currently prompting. What? Where? In the chat. No. I don't want to post my key in the chat. Can I put it somewhere else? Why is it asking me? That's a first, actually. I've never actually, I'm saying actually a lot. I've never had this ask me for the key in chat. It's always like drop it into your env file. Or I could like put it here, right? Can I paste it here? Question mark. It'd be client ID, right? Presumably be client ID. Refining instruction clarity. Yes, you can absolutely paste it. Wait. I have a token. What's the difference between the app key and the app secret? Let's see what Dropbox says. Where are we? Auto edit. Oh, okay. I do. So let's go back and do this again. Okay, before I connect, there we go. Before I connect this app, be safe. Auto edit. Enter this code. I don't know if this is like safe to be showing people. Install Dropbox. Hell yeah. Download it. Okay, new release of pip. Pardon me. Okay. All right. I need the secrets on Modal. So deployment as a secure. Okay. No, let's not use Anthropic. Let's use Open Router, and I can get a key. Spinning up some stuff. We're over here now because I've got some. All right, pushing to Modal. Okay, here we are. It says deployment completed. Okay. Check inbox, application officially live. Great. Record a short video on your phone. Make sure to include some filler words. Okay, false start. Let me start over. I'm going to do that. It says make sure to say definitely. I'm going to put it into AutoCut inbox. Sit back and relax. Wait 2 minutes. Modal detect the video. Great. Okay, so I'm going to do this, and then I'll get back to you. All right, so here I go. I'm back. I was on my phone. Boop. I am going to plug this into my app. I don't know if you can see it. Apps. Let's go there. Auto edit. Should I put it in inbox? I put it in inbox. And then it's going to move to done. So easy. Upload file. This is honestly the first time I have ever... Oh, Dropbox security. Sweet. First time I've ever done this. Obviously, you guys are watching me do this. Videos. Oh, no, not down. No. Okay, let's go there. Recent. Okay, this is going to be dumb as hell. It's going pretty quick, though. I'm not good at gauging where the camera is in the least. Okay, great. Upload successful. Okay, upload successful. Here, I'll show you the... do I show you the before? Let's go to Dropbox. Okay, so inbox. It's going. Get started with Dropbox. Here's my dumb self. My goodness, this is all blurry. It says I'm supposed to say, how's this gonna work? So, the Human Torch was denied a bank loan. Who else? It says I'm supposed to say, the Human Torch was can't see it. Yeah, I mean, that should do it. Okay, so let's go over here. What do we got? Okay, so waiting for final render. This is going to take a while. I know it. Wait, hold up. Maybe not. Maybe not. Error. Terminate modal app logs. Autocut. Terminate usage modal app logs option. Oh, it must just be stopping, I hope. They found it in the inbox, which is great. This is actually a workflow I use all the time for document processing and stuff. You can automate your upload to like a Google Drive folder or a Dropbox. This is the first time I've ever used Dropbox, but it's pretty easy, as you can see. And then it'll like process that sort of thing. Oh, it says cool. It says it's done, actually. So we go to done. What do we got? The Human Torch was denied a bank loan. It says I'm supposed to say, I think that's that. Holy shit. Okay. So I'm going to like obviously fiddle with the actual captions and make them like, you know, sexier because those are like 1970s, but better than nothing. Absolutely. So there you have it. Like I said, a little bit different today. This is exactly how I use AI, how you can use AI. And now that you've seen it from end to end, get in there and just like start crossing off your subscriptions, like apps you pay for monthly or things that you're like, man, this sucks. If I like the first one I ever built was a teleprompter app because the selfie TikTok style videos are like impossible for me. I really want you to go out and try it for yourself. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. If you want to learn about how to make money with AI tools like this, you can click the link in the description. Otherwise, catch you in the next one.